Hello, this is Geoff with In-Depth Studies. Today we are in the Gospel of Mark, chapter 11, verses 1 to 6. It says, As they approached Jerusalem and came to Bethphage and Bethany at the Mount of Olives, Jesus sent two of his disciples, saying to them, Go to the village ahead of you, and just as you enter it, you will find a colt there, tied there, in which no one has ever ridden. Untie it and bring it here. If anyone asks you, why are you doing this? Say, the Lord needs it and will send it back here shortly. They went and found a colt outside in the street, tied at a doorway. As they untied it, some people standing there asked, What are you doing untying that colt? They answered as Jesus had told them to, and the people let them go. Now, why are we focusing on this passage? Well, what you see is that the Lord's sovereign plan unfolding, and especially that what doesn't normally, it did not, how would I say that? When the disciples asked, what should we do? And he told them to do it, it must have seemed strange because they're untying somebody else's colt. And then when people said, what are you doing? That seemed perfectly appropriate for someone to say, and then they just told them exactly what the Lord told them to say, and there was no problem. That was God's plan unfolding. And we who are believers, we have a Father in heaven who choreographs our lives, our responsibilities to respond to whatever situation he puts us into, to respond according to what Scripture says we ought to do. And we need to trust him. He'll take care of us. And here we have just a small example of God sovereignly determining everything. If this has been helpful, check out more of Geoff's thoughts on YouTube, and there you can subscribe to them. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.